In the video for today, I'm going to speak to you about a problem that we're facing with logging into Botim Web or the desktop application for Botim. If you're trying to log in and you're scanning the QR code, you're getting an error telling you that we could not recognize this QR code. Watch my video completely till the end because I'm going to give you a probable solution to this problem. So just a few months back, we were able to log into Botim Web and the desktop application, but all of a sudden when we are trying to log in now, since I think mid-November, it's not allowing us to log in. It may just, give us an error like this, telling us that the QR code is not recognized or something. Botim.me or the bot.im. So I prefer bot.im. So let's click on that link and get onto the login page. So ideally, you have to scan this QR code to logins. Let me open the Botim application on my phone and click on my profile icon, and let's try and see for Botim Desktop. We don't have that here anymore, and my app is actually up to date. So if I get to Play Store, do a search for Botim, you could see that my app is absolutely up to date. So there's no other way that I could upgrade and do something about it. So that option for Botim Desktop is not here at all. Another option is to click on this QR code scanner and then get to this page, click on scan QR code, and let's try and see if we could scan this and log in. Okay, so we're getting this error. We couldn't recognize this QR code. Now what we need to do is just communicate with these guys and tell them the problem so that they can take action and help us log into Botim Web or the desktop application. So get onto botim.me and then click on contact us, or you could scroll right down to the bottom of the page and click on email. Once you do that, you're going to be directed to this page on which you have 2 email addresses out here. And if you want more email addresses to connect with Botim, or if you want to spread the word across their team, you could get back to the search page for Botim, and for the Google Play listing for Botim, click on that link, click on app support, and then you have another email address out here, feedback@botim.me, and another one, tech@astratech.ae. So these email addresses are for critical issues, but I suggest if those 2 email addresses are not working for you, if you do not get a response from these guys, you send an email to these 2 emails also. So you could go ahead and send them a message like this: hi team, when I'm trying to log into Botim Desktop or Web, the QR code is not being recognized by the app. After you try to scan the QR code, the app scanner says that the QR code is not recognized. Please could you look into the issue and help me log in? Regards, your name, and please ensure you mention your Botim number. And if possible, take a screenshot of the error while you're trying to log in. You get that cannot recognize QR error and attach it to this email. You could take a screenshot from your phone and send it to an email on your desktop, access, download, and send it through here. Okay, so this is the screenshot that I took, and then you send this email to these guys. So I'm sure these guys are going to get back to you within 1 or 2 working days. But if they do not, don't wait for the 3rd working day. Go ahead and send another email to the second email address that I showed you, help.cashnow@quintix.ae. Send another email to these guys. Wait for another 2 days. If they do not respond within 2 days, again, you go ahead and send an email to these guys, feedback@botim.me. Wait for 2 more days. If these guys also do not respond, do not give you a solution, which they should, at last, send an email directly to the company, tech@astratech.ae. This is the one. So do this and see if this is resolved for you, and I'm very much sure it should. But if it doesn't, do let me know in the comment section below so that we can work together and look for a solution to this problem. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.